If you're in your 20s and broke, it's not your fault. But if you stay that way, that's 100% on you. It's not that you don't make enough money. It's that no one taught you what to do with it. You've been lied to, told to work hard, save a little, and retire at 65. But what if I told you there's another way? Honestly, who made avocado toast the enemy of wealth? Let's set the record straight. This video will give you the blueprint to build real wealth starting today. Most people your age are stuck in the same cycle. Spend now, regret later, live paycheck to paycheck. The average American can't cover a $500 emergency, and yet we scroll past memes about being broke like it's funny. But here's the truth. Time is your greatest asset, and it's silently slipping away, because what you do in your 20s can either make you rich or lock you into a life of regret. Let's talk about the shift. What separates those who struggle financially from those who thrive? They understand the system and use it. Step 1, automate wealth. Before you spend $1, pay yourself first. Set up automatic transfers. 20% to savings, investments, 50% for needs, 30% for wants. This isn't budgeting, it's lifestyle design. Step 2, invest early. Invest consistently. If you start investing just $200 a month at age 22, by 60, you could have over $1 million just from compound growth. That's right. Your Starbucks habit could be your future beach house. Step 3, learn the language of money. Your school didn't teach it, but you can. Read one finance book a month. Follow creators who teach, not just flex, but even with the right tools. There's one thing that can ruin it all. Here's what no one tells you. You can be doing everything right and still lose. Why? Because money isn't just math. It's emotion. It's habits. It's who you become when no one's watching. You can't out-earn bad behavior. And you can't invest your way out of financial chaos. So if you're serious about building wealth, start now, not tomorrow, not when you make more money. Now, because every day you wait is costing you more than you think. And if you think this was eye-opening, wait until you hear the shocking truth about personal finance nobody tells you. Tap the video on your screen right now. You're not just watching content, you're changing your future.